welcome back to my channel. So, this could be my third vlog, and yes, I am with someone right now. Say hi to them. Hi. Oh my god. Okay, so my vlog is about mukbang challenge. So yes, we'll be eating some foods over here, fresh from Mindanao. So, shout out to my auntie nga nihatag na ko ane. Yes, to Auntie Mira. Hi there. Okay, so we have here the Artocarpus odoratissimus, or also known as marang, o diba scientific name. Okay, so actually well known siya as marang, or some napuyo ba ning tawag ani og tarap sa to timadang madang or whatever, basta kay marang ni siya. And I also have here Lansium domesticum, or also known as lansunes. Yes. So, ang lansunes, rich siya sa vitamin A, B, C, thiamine, and everything. So, muna siya. So, actually, beware sa akong mga namoy madungog nga dili ingon nato kay na ako sa gawas sa kwarto. So, daghang mong madungog nga dili ingon nato. Okay, so without any churva and everything, so let's do this. So, murag niwala akong partner. Nilakaw man. So, okay. So, let's open it up. So, this is how you open a marang. Oh my god. Sarap. Oh my god. This is so yummy. So, yes. Naigadulag si OC. Wala na si OC ron. Kay ML na ron. Okay, so, mungkin siya guys. Yes. Actually, mabalan nimo kung hinog na ang usa ka marang kung humot na siya. Pareha siya sa durian, pero mas lamian ko ani kaysa sa durian. Kaya ang durian kay baho. Ay. Okay. So, yes, let's open it up. Ato abrihan nato siya tanan. Okay. Okay. Sarap talaga. Oh my god. If na pala mo diri makatimaho mo, super humot. Super humot kayo. Okay. So, muni siya ang purma if ma-open na nimo siya tanan. It looks like something ew. So, yes. So, guys, nawala man si Zaki. Excited kayo si Mami Mukhaon. So, na ako yung bagong partner karon, si Mudra. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi! Tayo sa saan?
Okay,
Ang
so...
sarap naman. Sarap-sarap.
Si May, ikaw ko na yung vlog na. Hi,
Hey, sarap.
welcome to my vlog.
Hi! Welcome to the eating the...
Okay, sige. So, mga una, me. So, guys, sumanamig kaon sa marang. Okay? So, next na pod is ang lansunes. So, yes. In 3, 2, 1. So, that's it guys. Sumanamig kaon sa mong marang o sa mong lansones. So, hope you enjoy watching our nonsense video na pod with my mudra. So, say bye to them. Bye! Bye, me!
Bye! Bye!
So, yes, thank you for watching, and please do support me, guys. Please do subscribe to my channel, yes, and click the notification bell button so that you will be notified every time I have a new uploaded video. Okay, so see you to my next vlog.
Bye.
Ciao.